Okay, so one of the videos was how to preserve tools. In that case, it was how to preserve a plane. I had some files here that I showed you in the previous video. Now the same common sense applies to if you want a hand drill. I love hand drills. Sometimes I work in the middle of the night and people are sleeping, so I can't put the electric drill on. So I put this on. Most of the time I may use this, or well, not most of the time, but 50-50. Okay, so the same common sense is you put this stuff in the mechanics here, okay, and turn it. See how it's stuck? You just turn it, okay. Put it on the other mechanics here, okay. Be generous with it, okay, until it runs smooth. Put it here on this, and just hold it here so it doesn't turn, and turn this right in, so you get this part working properly. Okay, and then go back the other way, and then like this a few times, and you get these mechanics working. Okay, so you come here, it works a lot better now. These are very good. I love hand drills. Okay, so you might have a very old-fashioned model. This one I repaired a couple of years ago. But as you can see, it's very hard here. Okay, we may never be able to fix it, or we may be able to. We'll see. So the same common sense applies here. We put this stuff here and see if we can fix this. Okay, and we turn this down, and up again. Okay, put some in the mechanics parts in here. And already it's working much better. Okay, so I might just give it another coat. We'll go through the mechanics. Okay, we might give it another one here. And also in here. Just put some in there, then run right down. And until it becomes looser. So the mechanics work. Okay, that's good. It's in good condition now. And that's all there is in preserving your hand drills. Okay. If you want to know about planes, look at my previous video, or Rusper and File. It's in the same video as the planes. Okay. Thank you for watching. Make sure you take the thing off with the towel. That is this stuff. This stuff is CRC 226. Okay. So you get this off your hands, wipe it off, and then you wash it with soap and water. You don't want this too much on your hands. Alright if it's a little bit for a short time, but you need to wash your hands. Okay, straight after you finish the work. Thank you for listening, and God be with you all. Please also subscribe.